Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number E1995A. 51,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. We sold this Town & Country brand new, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Dual DVD players, rear heat and air control, and wireless headphones and remote. Middle row buckets are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors and trailering package, which also includes load leveling suspension, power liftgate for convenience, deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system, keep child seats completely secure. And don't forget they are heated. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Blu-ray DVD player, lots of storage space in the removable center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's material. Liftgate, sliding door, moonroof control, and homelink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Town & Country is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.